Namaste. Today I'm going to share with you my experience of what is enlightenment. Everyone experiences this differently, and everyone who becomes enlightened will experience this differently. But my experience of enlightenment, the way that we were taught first by our teacher Sriyaman Bhagwan, is that enlightenment is a biological shift. It's something that takes place in your brain. It's a change in your brain. It's a change in the neurobiological pathways in your brain, as well as a physical change in your brain. How do I know this to be true? Someone can teach something and it doesn't mean it's true. It doesn't mean anything until you've experienced it. I experienced this when I went to a retreat specifically for the purpose of enlightenment in 2005. We received this, what they call a diksha, an energy transfer from the monks there at what used to be called the Oneness University, which is now Golden Age movement. And this Golden Age movement that I went to, this retreat, after I received the diksha, the energy transfer, I started to feel a lot of energy in my head. And I felt this for many, many weeks. Then I suddenly felt like something had turned off in the back of my head, in the left side, in the left side of the back of my brain. It was like a switch. And then all of a sudden, I wasn't suffering anymore. There was peace, there was harmony, it was like all of a sudden I was experiencing life as it's supposed to be. Everything was perfect, clear, sharp. This experience lasted with me for a very long time, maybe years, and then it started to dull. It didn't stay permanent at the time. So why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you because it's happening again. Our teachers have decided that this is the time in the universe where man is going to become enlightened, all of mankind. And the way that they are doing this is that they are first enlightening or giving enlightenment to a smaller group of people within each country. This is an international movement. And that as these people become enlightened, the consciousness will shift across their country, therefore enlightening all of mankind around the world. So this is the work that we're doing. The purpose and the mission of this movement, Golden Age New York, is to give enlightenment to mankind. And they're doing it. They're giving it to us. I can feel the shifts in my brain again. I can feel the energy in my head. I can feel my perception changing. I can feel my energy shifting. I can feel my consciousness changing. Yesterday I was sitting on the couch, actually 2 days ago, it was 2 days ago, and all of a sudden I could feel, they call this the Chidarkash in Sanskrit. It's between the third eye and the Sahasrara chakra. It just awakened by itself. I could feel the sensation so strongly. And this is just one. This is just, we're just scratching the surface. This is just one of the experiences that I've had since I went to this Supreme Light of Supreme Love teacher's course. They're calling it Teachers of Sriyaman Bhagwan course now. It's so powerful. The amount of energy I feel, the shift in consciousness that I feel, the shift in my brain that I'm experiencing, I'm becoming enlightened at a much faster rate than ever before. I've had many enlightenment experiences. I've had many experiences of enlightenment, many experiences of awakening, many experiences of witnessing consciousness, many experiences of the chakras awakening, kundalini rising, all of it. But enlightenment is something that is permanent. And I know what this feels like. I know what this experience is like. And I want all of you to experience it. So I invite all of you to come experience this Supreme Light of Supreme Love course by my teacher, Sriyaman Bhagwan, or just come here. It's absolutely free to come here every week at 1 o'clock on Saturday. We have a process called Sacred Chambers. You can experience this. You can become enlightened in this lifetime. Enlightenment cannot be achieved through practice and contemplation. It has to be given by the divine. It is a gift, a benediction from the divine. And my teachers are divine, and they can give this to you. And I know this sounds strange, and I know it probably sounds unreal. And I haven't said this in 20 years that I've been doing this work. I've never said this out loud. But it's so real, and it's happening now. If you want enlightenment, come now. It's happening. I hope to see you. Bye.